Hey YouTube, it's Kale. Yeah. Slightly ill. Okay, more than slightly ill. Went downstairs, my mom told me I was really pale and slightly white. Like, I'm pale anyways, but when my mom mentions it, it means I've got little color to my face and I really look sick. But yeah, I've got some stomach flu. My stomach's doing flip-flops. Possibly have a temperature. But anyways, I just want to make a quick update about what's going on in my life. Well, first off, I'm gonna say, you have to love Out of the Loop family members. So I have a an aunt that used to live with us in like 2 months, and like, okay, so she moved out in January, finally. She'd become kind of a burden and was taking advantage of us, so she moved out end of January, beginning of February. My throat's killing me, so I'm gonna make this as quick as possible. Sorry. Distracted by Rocky Horror Picture Show. The time warp. Yeah. Anyways, so I had the aunt that moved out and haven't talked to in 2 months. Like, had a sit down conversation with her in like 2 months. Haven't seen her in like 2 weeks. But I have seen her while I was bonding, and obviously she really didn't like paying attention because this weekend my mom comes home, and I guess she ran into my aunt, and my aunt had found this for me. It's a magnet. It says, my parents said I could be anything, so I became a lesbian. Yeah, she's a little out of the loop. I just thought that was slightly funny, but yeah. More updates on my life. My mom has surgery next Friday. Some stuff with her hand, but still, it's really fun. Yeah. On a better note, I have a possibility of getting into a 3-week paid training program through the Department of Labor. It's not a lot, but it's something. Things going. So yeah, that's what's going on. Holy shit, I'm starting to lose my voice. This is fun. Hopefully you guys can hear me. So yeah, that's what's that. I think like next week is my last time I'm gonna do more with my counselor before she's gone for 6 weeks. Just purely because she has a surgery with her own life and stuff. I think it's on Monday when I go. I'm gonna talk to her about maybe getting a referral to a gender specialist in the area, if not. My mom has already said that she's gonna talk to our general doctor my primary physician, about, because she's really good about stuff. She's really good about helping out in referrals and stuff, and I'm sure she could probably get me in with a general specialist at the hospital, which would be great. So yeah, that's where I am pretty much. I also have, hopefully I can get this out before I lose my voice. I will have a chance to go to one of two things. I could go to them both, except for they're on the same day. So for any of you who watch my videos and, like, input would be greatly appreciated. My first choice, which has been something that I've been looking forward to since last June, because I didn't get to go last June, going to Portland Pride and hanging out with my fraternity. It'd be great to see them again. My fraternity might be marching in Portland Pride parade, so that's one thing. However, I can get a chance to see them at some other point, hopefully. But the other thing that I have a chance to go to is a transgender youth seminar or summit. There's a couple of different workshops that I could choose from and stuff. And I think really the big thing is it's a chance for me to meet some trans youth in New England. So yeah, that would be really something more for me to go to yet, but I'm going to make the decision here end of this week, beginning of next. Yeah, so by my next update, I will definitely have a decision on that. So peace out, YouTube. Have a good week. I'm gonna go before I get sick to my stomach.